Well, hello. This is Rochelle, and thank you for joining me here on the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. And today I'm working on the Shine On devotional from Creative Retreat. This is such a beautiful faith art box, and I am so thankful that I've got the physical kit this month. It is definitely not something I take for granted. I think it is super special. And so I'm just taking two of these circle stickers and using them as my tab as a start off on this page, priming the stamp a little bit on my stamping block, and then using two very soft colors, the a light blue or baby blue, and I think this is the olive, if I have it correct. These are Creative Retreat pigment inks. I love that they don't bleed through, so they are permanent and they don't bleed through, which is a big thing for me. And I'm literally just kind of layering these two colors over top one another as a background for this, or as a glow for this candle from the vinyl sticker set. And then this washi is just on another level. Really love it. And I'm using that kind of as my ground or table, or I don't know, platform on which to put my candle so it's not floating in the air. And then I'm going to be using some of the words, and I'm going to be spelling out or wording out here, light shines in the darkness. And I'm journaling in John in my margin journal Bible. And I love that the word is so clear about this light that we are to shine in the darkness. I think I've said this before, and I definitely believe it with all my heart, because every single time I switch on the light switch, it happens. The darkness doesn't first have this big fight with the light, and there's this, back and forth kind of thing. Well, maybe in South Africa. Inside joke. The light doesn't fight with the darkness. The light goes on and the darkness goes away. That is as simple as that. I'm using the word the from an older stamp set, and then obviously we've got to add some bling to this. So I am going to pick up my stickles. These are just pretty much glitter glue, and you can get them from a crazy store or a dollar store. I don't know whichever ones you guys use. But I'm just going to pretty much sort of go over those lightly stamped glow of this candle, as well as the words shine, which I kind of modified to say shines. Light shines in the darkness. I just took that same S from the shine and added the S at the back. So nothing too complicated, not rocket science, exactly like this. When you switch on the light, it chases away the darkness. When you expose the sin in your life to the light, it shines on it, and it's like little critters. They have to run at the sight of the light. And so I want to encourage you today that Jesus is that light. His word is that light. It shines, it guides, it shows us the way in which we should go. And we can today just trust him for that. I'm forever thankful. Literally using all of the kit elements, it is such a pleasure and such a joy having them. So I'm also adding some glitter glue or stickle glue to this, some of these stickers, and adding some bling and shimmer to those. I really, it's such a simple and easy page. Adding my date with that same olive green pigment stamp. And then I'm actually just squishing it onto my acrylic block, my stamping block, and then picking it up with some water and using that to even highlight my verse. It is amazing what you can do with all of these products, and I want to encourage you to use what you have and then add some splatters just to finish it off. Thankful for every single input these devotionals have given in my life. If you haven't picked one up yet, do so soon. And thank you so much for joining me. Looking forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.